If you're only typing basic prompts in Midjourney, you're missing its real power. Today, I'll show you how to control the camera, style, and composition, so your AI art looks professional, not random. Advanced Midjourney prompting isn't about longer prompts. It's about control, telling the AI exactly how the image should look, feel, and be framed. Midjourney understands photography and film language. You can control the camera just like a real shoot. Style tells Midjourney how to render the image. This is where your art becomes unique. Composition controls where the subject sits in the image and how your eye moves across it. The real magic happens when you combine all three. These techniques are perfect for YouTube thumbnails, branding, storytelling, theme art, and even AI short films. If this helps you level up your Midjourney skills, like the video, subscribe, and comment.